guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be playing with this butter slime that I just got from the mall because I just came back from the mall. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how good this butter slime is. So yeah, and this is from the toy store in the mall. So this is pretty good. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is it's actually butter slime because when you stretch it, it just goes down. So yeah. So that's number one tip of the butter slime. There's at least 5 tips for this that you already know it's butter slime. So when you put in your YouTube channel, just put in your YouTube channel. It's kind of hard to stretch because it just goes down. So I'm just going to do the easy way of YouTube swirling. Okay, so I'm just going to go right in with that YouTube swirl. So I got my YouTube swirl. I'm going to spread it. Tip 2 of, well, not really a tip, but just like showing you that this is butter slime. It spreads great. Right here. So yeah, that's and if you just look at it, I would say it's butter slime because if it's yellow or orange and it's just sitting there and you don't even feel it, you know it's butter slime. So that's tip 3. Well, not tip 3, but thing 3.
Karina, why do you have wrappers?
Yeah, if I just in a lot of my videos, because either my mom or my brother or my sister are talking. So that's tip 3. I'm going to say tip. So yeah. So tip 4 is just say I have this box, and out of a mommy, I'm gonna get one. If I'm just pretend this is a table. If I'm just I have slime in a bowl and it just spills, just say it spilled. Just say, oopsie, it spilled. It doesn't get stuck. So that's tip 4. We all know it's a butterfly. So yeah. And tip 5, last but not least, is we all know it can make great YouTube swirls. So, yeah. No, I don't need that. So, yeah, that's all for today. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and always have your post notifications on. And watch my TikToks. They're really bad, so yeah. So see you later. Peace.